Hello dear founder! What is the most important in any business? Right, it's money. And you won't be surprised if I say that money is a numbers. Amount of employees, items, clients and a lot of another metrics. Everything influenced only one goal – net worth. But it have a lot of dependencies from other numbers such as revenue, expenses, taxes. And today I wanna give you an instrument that will help you to deal with all these numbers. Data warehouse. Right now, you will see. What is a data warehouse? How this thing can help you increase revenue and optimize costs? What do you need to build your own data storage and why you can use such technology in any business? My name is Nick, I am founder of software development company. Like, subscribe, let's go! When people ask me about data warehouse explanation, I suggest imagining an Excel spreadsheet. Yeah, if we speak about simple thing, just pass your revenue, expenses and profit. Your data warehouse is ready to use. It's a traditional model for any business, startup, organization. Let's have an example for better understanding. You are an owner of dealership. Your business model is to buy a car on Mannheim or directly from manufacturer and then sell it to clients with additional profitability. So you bought a car with 10 grand, sell with 12 and receive 2000 of marginality. Everybody is happy. The spreadsheet where you fill data about such deals can be your data warehouse. You need to store it for different purposes, to fill tax info or understand what car model has the best price. When you just start your business, spreadsheet is enough, but when you start scaling, especially delegating, you would need something much stronger. Data warehouse will help you resolve this problem via using modern IT solutions. Generally, it contains database, cloud, frontend, backend and piece of love. Building such thing will help you optimize business costs and as a result improve revenue. Right now I wanna give you 5 different examples based on car dealership industry of how such technology can help you receive competitor advantage. Hypothetically, our dealership have 10 million annual revenue and 10% of net profit. We also have 100 employees on different positions. Number 1 is it can reduce amount of people and as a result increase net profit. 8 people in this organization obtain management roles, and they should not only spend time generating different reports, but also control the quality of such reports generated by others. When you have data warehouse, it can be done automatically. These 8 people can be optimized and business would receive additional profit instead of paying salaries. Average US manager's salary in US is $70,000 per year. It means you can save additional $560K. It will increase net profit of our dealership by 5% from 10 to 15. Sounds cool, right? Also, it's not necessary to fire anybody, just give them another responsibility. Number 2. Tracking and reminding unwin deals. One deal in such business can bring you $1,200. It's market benchmark. So if your sale lost a deal because client didn't receive a credit from a bank or caught a flu, you lost this money. Averagely 10 million dealerships have 500 unwin deals per year. No, it doesn't mean that you will lose $500,000, because you will sell these cars anyway. The problem is that you already spent budget on sales and marketing. Data warehouse can help you set up reminders for sales team to detect most weak points in your pipeline. You will improve close rate and as a result increase revenue by 2-3%. Yes, remember, it's still one Lamborghini per year. Number 3. When you bought a car, time play against you. Averagely, you're losing between $30 and $50 per day for one car. Everything because of amortization. Furthermore, your buyers are people, they can buy a not profitable car model. I know cases when people lost up to $20,000 per one deal because they bought a trash vehicle. When your buyers have access to data, they can understand in real time is this car worth or not. As a result, you will decrease amount of bad deals and of course you will improve net worth. Averagely it would be increased by 4%, so again plus 400K to our bank. Number 4. Advertising. Let's imagine that you spend 10% of your revenue on Google Ads and it's bring you 10,000 clients. So you have price $100 per one client. But if you know your clients, I mean gender, age, income and other metrics, you can use your marketing budget more efficient. To make this real, you need to integrate Google Ads with your management system via data warehouse. You can save up to 40% of marketing budget because right now you can set up campaigns more efficiently. Amount of clients would stay the same, but you would pay less for ads and as a result earn more. Number 5. Performance tracking. Who is the best buyer or best seller in your company? Yes, you definitely know, but what is the difference when you compare with others? 10, 20 or 80%? Thanks to Data Warehouse, you can not only track who brings more value to your company, but also provide this data to your team in real time. It would give additional motivation for team, and if person doesn't perform good for a long time, just replace him with somebody who can complete his job properly. Furthermore, you can even add a checklist or configure pipeline process for your sales in this system. You will earn more on some additional goods like insurance, and customer experience would be also improved because right now everybody works according to your standards. Words of mouth, it's additional free leads plus returning rate to buy new cards. It will give you additional money. All these examples is just small piece of pie, and everything really depends on your business size and processes. So, you made the decision that you need such solution. What's next? How to set up it? Firstly, you as a founder should define what problem this system should solve and how much value approximately it can bring you during next few years. Based on this, you should calculate how much you're ready to spend. Imagine that you are building a startup inside your business, and right now you obtain an investor position and your main goal is to earn some money on this innovative idea. If you believe that this implementation can give you 4% additional revenue, yes, 400k is enough to start something. If you succeed, your return of investment in 3 years would be 200%. But this value should be definitely more than 20,000, otherwise there's too many risks and your project might fail. It's actually your competitor's advantage because you know about this problematic. Other people outside your business have no clue about this. So you can become the first one and even sell these solutions to your competitors later. After you define this value, you should spend approximately 20% of this budget on consulting. In IT field we call it discovery phase. Main idea is that building data warehouse it's unique and custom process. Timeline and resources may vary depending on your existing tools and business structure. I already recorded a video of why you need it before start developing anything. Highly recommend you to watch it. After discovery you will have the prototypes, architecture plus development plan and of course budget. Think about it as paying for architecture agency to draw the house of your dreams. Then you will have development and maintenance support. Also, don't think about the wow problems in your organization. You need to find the most essential one. Others can be done later because data warehouse it's a scalable thing. In the end, you will receive a software with interface according to your needs. If we speak about the analytics part, it can be a web platform with some dashboards and charts, or a mobile application where sales will move through the pipeline with each client. It can be even an Excel spreadsheet that received aggregate data from your warehouse. Nextly, regarding development team composition that you might need. There is a lot of different roles, so if you don't have knowledge about development process and how to manage all this stuff, I recommend you to outsource it to some agencies. Finally, I want to remind you about AI. It's hype and all businesses right now want to use it to receive advantage. But all of them need data, because AI can't work without it. So you can also connect your data warehouse to AI and receive additional bonuses. For example, recommendations in strategy. Recently, such startup raised $5 million of investment. They made AI that analyze clients' QuickBooks, AWS or Shopify and provide recommendations according to clients' data. As a result, one of their customers improved annual operations by 200% and generated an additional $2 million in revenue. 21st century is definitely a technology era. Investing in digitalization of your business has really low risk and amazing profitability. I believe that building data warehouse is one of the points that might open new horizons for you. My company specialized exactly on such things. During the last 5 years we have been helping different clients around the world successfully build IT solutions. If you need any help, I would be happy to jump on a call with you through the link below. I hope that we can also become partners. It was your trustable Chief Executive Officer, we'll see you in next videos.